Turkey. Turks are known for their king-size breakfast. The most common palate includes eggs, sausage, bacon, olives, cheese, honey, cream, and a variety of jams. Even with a wide variety, Turkish people believe their breakfast should be nutritious and healthy for children too. For people who are on the go, breakfast can be a cereal or smoothie or fruits or any microwave ready to eat packages. The other more hungry category usually eats pancakes, toast, sausage, eggs, hash browns, or an English muffin. A French breakfast is rather a light meal of some homemade French bread or pancakes or a smoothie with honey or jam or butter. The French usually have a fresh meal rather than eggs or cheese. Germans usually have a hearty bread dish or rolls with honey or butter. They like thinly sliced meats and cheese, but that usually is seen on weekends. A typical German dish called Leberwurst is famous for breakfast. Typical Indonesians are rice eaters and they eat rice 3 times a day including breakfast. Traditional dishes include bubur lodeh or ayam, which is a porridge, or nasi goreng, which is yellow fried rice accompanied by tea. A normal weekday breakfast in Peru consists of bread, oats or quinoa accompanied by coffee, juice or an infusion. Every breakfast in Romania includes karapain, which is a Romanian bread accompanied by fresh vegetables like cucumber and tomatoes. You will see a full hearty breakfast in Russia. Kasha, which is a grain porridge, rye bread, butterbrot and salami style sliced sausage are the most common breakfast dishes in Russia. In Brazil, breakfast is not as important of a meal as lunch and thus it is kept light. While some homemade bread and black coffee are served at home, breakfast in cafes may also include fruits, smoothies, cornmeal, some snacks, cake and soda. Although a lot of dishes are famous in the English breakfast club, including bacon, sausages, baked beans, etc., the modern breakfast in UK generally consists of pancakes and fresh fruit smoothies. If you are staying for a month in Colombia, I bet you'll have a new dish to try for breakfast every single day. There are various dishes that Colombians love to have for breakfast like arepas, eggs, tamales, caldo de costilla, which is a rib broth, changua, which is a milk soup with onion, coriander, garlic, water and egg, empanadas, etc.